Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to upgrade Windows on this laptop. So first, open the Start menu, go to Settings, select Windows Updates tab, and right here click Check for Updates. And once you click this button, your laptop will scan for updates if it hasn't already, because your laptop performs automatic update checkings. If you haven't if you didn't change this setting before, then it will be automatically changing once in a while. And you might already have a list of updates prepared for you. And then in case you do, you just have to click the same button to install them all. And some upgrades, once they are installed, they will require a Windows restart once they are. And if they do, then you will be notified with on this page right here. It will say you have to restart your PC for the settings to be applied or something like that. And in such case, you'll have to simply reboot your PC by going into Start menu, selecting Power Options and selecting Restart. And once your laptop is restarted, the settings will be applied. And generally speaking, the only thing I didn't mention is that you can decline some of the updates or install some specific ones by choosing the ones that you want and on the list, and clicking Install, and removing the others that you don't want, for example. And basically that's it. That's how you update Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.